About for our trip to
Today we got back to our Dolman reaction video.
How'd you
They
even
go
trying
back
to go?
to
I thought you were
Chip was a dog wants to skip the test.
So she
He was to regret it.
Because I don't have any tests. Such a genius. You at least to wash your hand first.
Yeah.
You scared of G. Dude, watch out. You almost blew the fire alarm.
Where, boys?
He actually doesn't want him to get in trouble.
What you got there, Mr. Wilson?
This is a surprise.
How does it sound good? Not at all. You gotta be kidding me. He's gonna give us a pop quiz. Yeah, probably. I gotta find some way to get out of it. Come on, the reading last time was easy. It was? Yeah, didn't you do it? I missed out on my huge Minecraft tournament? No way. I gotta get out of this test somehow. Here we go again.
Yeah, here we go again.
I can pretend I'm sick. You already did that like 5 times and it never works. True. Maybe I could pretend like I broke my leg by slipping in this hallway. Well, it's pretty hard to pretend that you broke a bone. Jay, when you broke your arm, was it all hunky-dory? Yeah, dude, that won't work. Besides, they're installing cameras now, so it'll be obvious you're faking it. Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
So when do you think you'll have it working?
I'm having a problem with the server. They're not connecting. Hopefully by tomorrow.
Great. Thank you so much. Today's my lucky day. Mikey, we have to tell you every single time. Running away from problems just makes them worse. Please, Derek. I've been running away from my problems since 1st grade. Look where it's gotten me. Where? Yeah, you've been suspended at least 5 times.
Yep.
You have been grounded every single summer.
Wait, what?
And what's your GPA again? I don't
Zero.
wanna talk about that. But I'm still the coolest kid in school. Yeah, right. Alright, look, I'm running out of time, alright? Come on, Mikey. Face it. There's nothing you can do at this point. Don't underestimate me, alright? Look, I'll figure something
This
out.
kid actually doesn't want this kid Mikey to get in trouble.
Turn these over just yet. Hey, Mikey, no snacks in class. Put that away, please. Hey, you're supposed to use your cracker, not your finger. All right, everybody, what I have for you here is going to just have to wait 1 second. Keep them down, please. I'll be right with you.
Did you hear what happened at Chesterfield High? Some punk pulled the fire alarm. They had to evacuate the whole school.
I hope they got the guy that did it.
Last I heard, they haven't figured out who it was.
I got it. You got what? I'm gonna pull the fire alarm. What? That's a terrible idea. You're gonna get caught on camera. But you
Yeah.
said the camera won't be working till tomorrow. Oh, dear God.
Oh dear
It's
God.
going a little too far, Mikey. What do they test for fingerprints?
Yeah, what are these? That's what you get fingerprints.
That way there's no fingerprints. I'm pretty sure, Mikey, that pulling a fire alarm is an actual crime. There could be very serious consequences.
Wait, that's a crime?
If I got caught, which will never happen.
I'm pretty sure it's gonna
Every
happen.
single time. Plans
Never work.
Jinx. No, I said it first.
Yeah, Jinx. Yeah, I said it those. No, I said it those. No, I said. I don't even know.
Real quick, please.
Yeah, okay, Mikey. Just hurry back.
Thank you.
Jinx. No, I said it those. I don't even know. Guys.
Excuse me. Thank you. Come to Papa.
Hey, young man. You need help with something?
Nope, just go into the bathroom.
Well, you're going in the wrong direction.
Yeah.
Bathroom's that way.
Oh, yes, I know. I'm just getting something from my locker.
Okay, well, when you do go, be very careful of the wet floor, okay?
Yes, sir.
One of the toilets overflowed.
Yeah, ew. That's disgusting. Jeez, the school is quaking? And sheesh. I mean, have you guys ever heard of school have quaky doors with them?
Let's go. Everyone just remain calm. Remember what we practiced during the fire drill, okay? students and teachers evacuated on the west side. Hopefully we'll get an update soon.
What's up, kids? Well, aren't you glad I got us out of that pop quiz? Can't believe you actually did that. Oh, and to add on, I also didn't get caught. Woo! Yeah, not yet.
Yeah, not
We'll
yet.
see about that.
Mikey, there you are. I was just inside looking for you. How long have you been out here?
Well, I've been here since we evacuated.
Yeah.
You didn't notice?
No. Anyway, I just spoke with Principal Danvers. It sounds like we're going to be out here for a little while longer.
Dang it, I was looking forward to that pop quiz.
Pop quiz?
Mr.
you
Wilson?
mean
Can I speak to you for a moment?
Yes, of course, Principal Danvers.
What are you guys talking about? The better question is, what rides are we going on when we get to Legoland, baby? See, I was thinking about that, bro. There's more to life than just skipping tests and going to amusement parks. No, there isn't. Mikey, he's right. You can't just expect to always get away without being caught. As my dad always says, running away from your problems just makes them worse. Well, my dad says that the moon is made of cheese. So what's your point? His point is to stop pulling more pranks, or else you won't be able to come to Legoland with us. Yeah, and your mom might even take away your talent again. You know what? Instead of being
Jinx, you owe me a Coke.
you guys are making me feel bad for what I did.
All right, well, we're just waiting for the fire department to finish their rounds and make sure that everybody's safe.
The fire department's here?
Yeah, they respond to every fire alarm.
Right.
Well,
Wilson, this is Captain Stoll. He's going to be asking everybody some questions today.
it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So, looks like it was a false alarm. It's not the first time this has happened today, so I need to gather some more info. What were you and your class doing right before the alarm went off?
Well, I had just handed everybody some paperwork. The teacher came in, told me about what happened at Chesterfield, and then that's about all I can remember.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Wilson.
Of course. Hey, you know what? I actually did give Mikey the key to the bathroom.
You did?
Yeah. Mikey, did you see anything?
No, actually, I heard someone running down the hall before the fire alarm went off, but that's all I remember.
All right. Well, Captain Stoll, could you show us what you found so far?
Yeah.
Follow me.
Oh,
You too, Mikey.
Mikey, you in
Because you said you were the last one in the hall,
trouble.
right? So maybe you could provide some insight to us. Let's go.
Mikey, you in trouble. He's in trouble.
Okay, none of that. I'll be right back.
Sean! You what?
Yes, actually, I was able to get the camera started right when the fire alarm went off.
Wait, you were?
Yeah, I thought I was gonna need more time, but I figured it out. Here we go. It looks like the camera started right after everyone started walking away.
Lucky me. I mean, phew. Luckily everyone's okay.
Mikey,
Well,
think.
they
What
know.
else was happening in the hallway when you were here?
Let me retrace my steps. So, I left Mr. Wilson's classroom. Then I went to the bathroom.
Hold on, everybody. Does anybody know what happened yet?
Not yet. Mikey is explaining what was happening. He went to the bathroom.
That's odd. I was in there fixing the toilet when the alarm went off. I didn't see you.
Well, that's because I
Was
ran
not
into the
even-
girls' room.
Ew.
You did what?
Well, you see, George told me that the toilets were overflowing, so I decided to use the girls' restroom.
That's true. I did tell him.
See?
But the key that you took was for the boys' bathroom.
Oh, yeah.
Danvers,
Yes, I am.
I got the fingerprint kit. Now we can see who the suspect really is.
Wonderful. It's right here.
Thank you.
Mikey, you were saying?
What? What was the thing?
Mikey, if you had a key to the boys' restroom, how did you get into the girls' restroom?
Yeah.
Well, you see, there was a girl and she came out of the restroom, so I decided to sneak inside. I'm sorry, that was wrong.
I don't know. That all sounds a little odd.
Yeah.
Mikey, if you are covering
That
up
sounds a
for
little
someone else,
suspicious.
you young man are in big, big trouble.
I'm telling you everything I know. I swear.
Principal,
Yes.
we didn't find any prints, but we did notice something odd. Can you come over and take a look?
Of course.
It looks like cheese dip.
Cheese dip. Mikey, you were eating cheese in my classroom.
What? No.
Yes, he was.
See, look, my hands are clean.
That's because you just rubbed it all over your shirt.
That explains why there isn't any prints. He used his shirt to pull the alarm.
Oh, Mikey, how could you do that, especially after all that we've been through?
Please, just don't tell my mom. I didn't think all this was gonna happen. I just pulled it because I didn't want to do the pop quiz and just wanted to go to Legoland with my friends.
Pop quiz?
Yeah.
No, Mikey, no, I just wanted to play a game with you all.
A game? Are you serious? You mean I did all this for nothing?
Yep.
Mikey, you're coming to my office right now.
But we
No,
probably did.
please, I'm sorry.
Actually, I have to stop you there, Principal.
Thank you, officer. Thank you. You don't know how much I appreciate that.
Mikey's actually going to come with us.
What?
Pulling the fire alarm is a serious crime. You didn't know that?
A crime?
Yes, it is. We're going to take you downtown.
We're gonna take it downtown. We're gonna take it downtown.
No.
We're gonna take it downtown. We're gonna take it downtown. We're gonna take it downtown.
Don't take me. Let me go. What's going on? What are you doing with Mikey? Jay.
Under arrest for pulling the fire alarm.
Jerry. No, me, Mikey. Mom. Can't explain.
I was in the neighborhood and I heard that the alarm went off.
Man, seems like your son is the one who pulled it.
What?
Yep.
Mom, please don't take away my tablet. And don't ground me. I just want to go to Legoland with my friends.
That is what you're most worried about. You should be worried about going to juvie.
Yeah, like, why are you not worried to go this week in jail?
Please, Mom, no. I'm not going. Let me go. No. Jay, Derek, help. All I can say is, running from your problems just makes them worse.
I just printed off your exam.
Stupid Mikey. What is he ever gonna think about the porn star mom as an actual crime? You have to go to jail or juvie for this. But anyways, guys, that's the end of this Stormy reaction video. Let's react to her kid. I don't even know what this one is, but I react to it. So see you guys in my next video.